Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to buy Ethereum in the Binance app. First, go to the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Binance. Then tap on the trade option provided at the bottom. Now select buy from the given options at the top. Here you'll be able to tap on the cryptocurrency shown at the top. After that, you can select Ethereum by searching it in the search bar. Following that, select the buy option given here. Then you can enter the amount in ETH that you want to buy. In the next step, you can see the amount in USDT that you'll pay to buy. After that, hit the Buy ETH button given here to proceed with the procedure. Here you'll select P2P trading to increase the balance. Now you'll see different trader options and hit the buy button for the one you want. In the enter quantity box, you'll add the amount. In the next box, select a payment method, tap on it, and tap on Add Back Transfer. In the end, hit the Place Order button, and you'll be done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.